Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel Cyrus Creations, and I trust God you all are doing great. Today I'm here with another sewing project. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this adorable purse which is matching with my dress. I have used leftover embroidered patch and I'm just loving the look. I have recycled old purse for inside and you can see it's turned out very nicely. Once you're gonna know all the basic tips and techniques, you're gonna love making these purses for your own self, which you could match with your dresses or seasons. Before heading down to the project, if you are new to my channel and just stopping by, just go ahead and subscribe. You're gonna learn hair sewing, cooking and DIY projects. If you already a regular subscriber, I'm sure you're already enjoying all the wonderful projects over here. So let's go ahead and start it out to the project. So here is our today project needed to work for. You see inside pretty cool, pretty neat and still look nice. But if you see the outer look, all the leather is ripping off. So we're gonna replace the outer and gonna keep inside because inside is pretty in a good shape, especially all the zippers works well. I really wanted to restore this wallet purse because it's the first ever wallet purse my husband had got me and I want to restore it. So simply I just going to take this piece and this we're gonna put aside, but we are going to take measurements of this piece. And I already have cut this hard paper, that's our drawing paper, exactly same size, and then I'm using exactly same size felt, so bring little thickness to my project. Okay, and then I am using this gorgeous embroidered patch for our front back. Okay, so on other hand I'm also going to use Velcro for closing rather than using these buttons. I'm comfortable with this thing, and then gonna use a one piece cotton and the felt to create this patch. Okay, so that's it. This project is pretty easy. Just you have to pay attention. You can use either your sewing machine or hot glue gun. It's up to you for this project. So let's go ahead and start it. So if you notice here, I have a 1 full inch trace 2 lines, so have extra flexibility in my paper like we have here. I'm not cutting like we have cut here because I already got the flexibility, so there's no reason to cut it. Okay, so that was just only little thing I want to share with you. And now I'm just going to attach. That's our inside, so I'm not worried about that. So we're gonna cover outer first, so in that way our patch have a more backing. Okay, so our base is prepared. As you can see, it's turned out nicely. See that? Okay, so now we're just gonna place our actual fabric on the back. Make sure I want to make sure my embroidery is in the center, not on a. So our backing patch is prepared nicely, and that was quicker to do as well. See that? It's cute. And now the next step, I'm just preparing this little hook patch. Simply I just going to sew from the sides and we'll leave opening and flip inside out, and in that way when I'm stitching all around the edges or gluing my both patches together, that will be our main closing. If I wanna do inside or outside. Okay, something going to look like this. So here I just have attached the Velcro inside rather than attaching the outside, because I want to have a clean look on outside. So I have just a stitch without stitching this together, so I have a clean side outside, and then I have prepared the other side. That's a felt on the back, the fabric on the front, and then the other piece of Velcro. So simply when I am going to attach it, I just gonna insert this inside here, okay, and then clip inside, and here it's going to be something look like this, okay. And now I'm just going to stitch all around the edges and our project will be finished. Thank you so much for watching our today's sewing episode. As you can see, we have created this adorable, beautifully purse. You can create this with the different seasons or matching with your outfits. If you really get inspired by our today project, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share with your family and friends so many people can learn about sewing, cooking, and DIY projects. I love you all. Be safe wherever you are. God bless you all and have a lovely, fabulous day. Bye-bye.